This video will explain how to find the time when two people accomplish one job. In this example, we have one painter who can paint the entire house in 12 hours, and another painter takes 8 hours to paint the house. We want to find the time that it takes for both of them to paint the same house. In order to understand this problem, let us look at this chart. The first painter will take 12 hours to finish the job. So that means in 1 hour he will finish 1/12 of the job. The second painter will take 8 hours to finish the job. That means in 1 hour he will finish 1/8 of the job. Our goal is to find the total time taken for both of them to finish the job. We will call this time T. So by the same logic, if both of them work on the same job, in 1 hour they will finish 1/T part of the job. Let's pause for a moment here and think about this T here. Is this T going to be more than 12 hours, more than 8 hours, or less than 8 hours? Since two painters are working on the same job, therefore T must be less than 8 hours. Because the second painter takes 8 hours to finish the job, and now he has help from the first painter, so both of them can finish it in less than 8 hours. So how do we find T then? If we look at what we have here, we see that 1/T is part of the job done by both of them in 1 hour. However, painter 1 contributes 1/12 of the job, and painter 2 contributes 1/8 of the job when they work together. So that means 1/T must be equal to 1/12 plus 1/8. We now solve this equation to find T. First, we add these together to get 5/24. Next, we take the reciprocals of both sides to get T equals 24/5. Which means the time taken for both painters to finish painting the house is 4 hours and 48 minutes. And now one final note about the rule we have used. If T1 is the time taken for the first worker to finish a job, and T2 is the time taken for the second worker to finish the same job, then the rule to find the time for both workers to finish the same job is given by 1/T equals 1/T1 plus 1/T2.